Hello and welcome to another update video about Algorand. Yeah, a lot of requests for Algo these days, even though I don't understand why. It's coming down, it's coming down. It's one of these disaster charts that we've been covering still because a lot of people requested, of course, we're currently coming down, and I mean, this is a difficult count. It's coming down without real structure. The move up is fairly clear, I would say. I consider that an ABC structure. The move down here could be a diagonal. Sometimes very bearish charts, they just go down without real structure. One of the weakest charts, honestly, one of the weakest charts in this bear market, in my opinion. Completely lost all gains it made since 2020. New all-time low. Yeah, bad. And no sign of stopping. And it's not even... it didn't even participate in a significant way in any rallies. I mean, look, Bitcoin doubled basically between November and I think it was April. Yeah. And what did Algo do? Complete disaster, unfortunately. And in the previous video, we forecasted further dropping prices. Can't exactly remember when we made the last video, but we certainly made since then another... Okay, maybe not another bear market low. I can't remember if I made the video before the 16th of August, but it doesn't matter. It's certainly doesn't give us any indication that a low is in place here or anything. Any reactions to the upside, extremely weak. It's within this price channel. Until it breaks out of this channel, nothing bullish going on here. And my best reading of this is that it's really moving here in this diagonal. The wave 4 might have finished here, but it would be a very weak wave 4. And we may be in this wave 5, and we calculated 2 more support levels. It's a challenge, a chart that's in a lifetime downtrend, to calculate support levels, because this can just drop to 0. And it is on track to going to 0. And I will assume that until it shows a first impulse, at some point it might show a first impulse. That could be the wave A. And then we are developing a support area for B, and then anybody who wants to do it could trade the C wave, even though that's a bit insane when you talk about a chart like that, because it's against the higher level trend, but nevertheless possible. At least with Bitcoin, you know where you are, right? I mean, here this is just coming down. Anyway, we talked about the 7.7 cent level. That could be a level to watch next. The 5.26 cent level after that, and 2.8 in the worst case. No, that's not true. In the worst case, 0. But yeah, I mean, if it comes down all the way to 2.8 cents, I mean, it's in a pretty poor state. We'll see where it goes, but certainly nothing bullish. I mean, if it really rallies and breaks out of this wedge pattern to the upside, it could reach this area, which is a wave 2 pullback after it moved down in 5 waves. And I have to assume the move up was an ABC structure anyway, because it made a completely new bear market low. So the rally after that here should hit between 33 cents and $1.37 potentially. So a huge area. And that's going to be the challenge to determine where the wave 2 will end. But again, I think the question is not so relevant, because if it gets into that red zone, it might be an interesting short maybe. But I would not try to trade it long into this region. It's a counter trend move. So it would need to do a lot, to confirm that it's bullish. And I'm not saying it will die, and I'm not saying it will never recover. I'm saying it's bearish until it shows us a reason to believe that, until it proves to us that something more bullish is going on, right? And it can do that by showing us a first impulse. We just need to be aware that because of context, this could simply be the A wave. So a lot of work needs to be done to repair this chart, essentially. Yeah, that's my update about Algo. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.